the mechanic came out yesterday. He did some testing on it, and he came to a conclusion that it was the ignition switch. The car, he put power directly to the starter, so the starter is good, but it still wasn't starting. But we got power and everything, you know. The radio works, you know. So still not starting, still not cranking, but when he put power to the starter, it works. Got a little engine check light right down there. So he said, I'm gonna try to get a starter. Not a starter, ignition switch, and change that out. Ford Fusion 2015.